Meanwhile, with the blue team fleet at the Homeland Mon Calamari cruiser.
Command has attempted to compile a list of casualties and losses, but information is sketchy at best.
Well, we know we've lost the others during the Battle of the Badlands. There's a strong possibility there may be more reinforcements hiding in the Golan Straits. What the hell's he saying?
It seems they're getting a signal. Old Morse code. It's from the 7th universe. They want to organize a counter-offensive!
It's about bloody time! What do they plan to do?
They claim to be able to bring down their shields.
When do they want to attack?
The attack begins in 5 hours, you idiots!
Because you too fits where the blue fits.